It's the best one that I've had so far.
How many have you had so far?
2.
2. And where are we?
We're at the airport in Delhi.
Where are we going?
Jaisalmer.
And what airline? How are we travelling?
We're going on spicy jets, and their logo is red hot and spicy.
We flew in from New Zealand to Delhi and then straight across the desert to Jaisalmer. I had been to Jaisalmer more than 30 years ago, back in 1988. Back then it was a long and arduous journey by bus and train, whereas this time we were there within hours. And I was very interested to find out how Jaisalmer might have changed and what was different from the time I went there so long ago. After checking in at our hotel, the Killa Bhawan, we decided to go for a little bit of a outing in the afternoon. So just arrived in Jaisalmer this afternoon, just getting over jet lag, down at the lake here, having a little look around. It's very nice. Gadisar Lake was a nice place to relax after so long on the plane.
Paddle boating.
Yep.
I think these guys have pedalled the wrong way. They've pedalled pedaling into the jetty the whole time. I'm just going to get to the jetty.
Dad's out of control.
They can't seem to get off the jetty.
.45 in the evening here in Jaisalmer, India. We just arrived this afternoon, having taken 4 flights from New Zealand, more than 24 hours in the air. Pretty knackered, pretty tired, but also really excited and pleased to be here. So it was great to have a look around and explore the town this afternoon. We've got a fantastic hotel, which as you can see, I'm sitting on the roof of right now. It's got great views of the palace and the city and everything. So yes, just relaxing, soaking up the atmosphere, and pretty tired, going to head to bed and then get up early and have a look around tomorrow. Woke up early in the morning and it was a nice opportunity to go for a little bit of a walk around the fort and go and explore the Jain temples, which also contained within the walls of the old city. Wandering around the back streets of Jaisalmer Fort, I stumbled upon a few places that I had actually been and photographed back in 1988, and things actually hadn't changed that much. Some aspects were similar, like there were more tourist trinket shops and motorcycles whizzing around, but otherwise the old city had many aspects that were very similar as I remembered them. What does it tell us about the turbans?
That always an important place in the life of native Rajasthanis. The turban was a snapshot of the person wearing it. All got moustaches. When a woman's husband dies, they carry his turban and lay it at her feet. It's a dusty museum here.
Nice, and we're up on the rooftop looking out over the fort and everything and thinking about lunch. Okay.
Yes, hello, namaste. I'm actually from Rajasthan, near the Pakistan border, my village, but I'm since working last 30 years in this place, in Paradise.
So this is for the Rajasthani Thali?
Yes, this is Rajasthani Paradise Thali.
Oh wow. Speciality.
Yeah. Yeah, well, mostly yes, in the restaurant. Mixed veg, but now we have to put this is vegetable we're talking about, you know?
Yeah. What's the name of this one?
Cape sangri.
And can you tell us where that comes from?
Coming from the desert, typical from the tree. And then put some like also with cashew nut. Yogurt. Top. I'm from Rajasthan.
You're from
He's from Rajasthan.
Yeah, from Rajasthan. Yeah. Sonya?
Very delicious. Whatever the plant is, desert tree, it's super tasty.
After getting pretty well filled by the Paradise Rajasthani Thali, we wandered towards the large palace that dominates the whole city, went inside and had a look around there. It's quite nice up here, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a good view. Desert.
It's kind of the highest point.
You can see our bedroom window, the one with the shutters open just down there. What's going on? Yeah, well, is it filming?
Yeah.
Oh well, end of our first full day in Rajasthan. And what are we doing now?
I think it's about time to go and try some of the cheap wine that you purchased earlier. After breakfast, we headed out into the desert to do a little bit of exploring further afield.
The drought and earthquake.
Back in 1989, I did a camel safari here up to this place called Ludwara, and it's actually the monsoon and it was raining, and I slept in this very bandstand-like structure. You never saw us after 10 minutes, did you say?
Well, possibly, I don't know.
What were the name of the camels, Sonia?
Mine was Cooler and yours was Captain.